For the first time in the history of local government, a municipality has had the vision to establish an institution dedicated solely to enhance the capacity of local government practitioners. In April, MILE hosted their inaugural executive seminar at Botanic Garden.
MILE is the Municipal Institute of Learning. I don't know if people have seen some of the information that's out or have had some Suyen or Vizele visiting, etc. But interestingly, what we said is that as a local government city and in promotion of learning and sharing, as being a learning and a sharing city, we're looking at the Municipal Institute of Learning. For now, it is located in eThekwini. How successful it is, we can really try over the next 5 years. What becomes of it is another matter, and we've been in discussion with various people that find the idea quite innovative and exciting. The idea is largely as municipal practitioners, it's about practitioners for practitioners, and the idea was like, where is there a middle management component that you can structure in parallel with whether you're going for advanced business management or one of an MBA. Where do you get a practical component of what's happening in local government, both nationally and internationally? And that's where MILE is been set up to try and bring that learning to Durban and take Durban's learning elsewhere. And it's not just about Durban. I mean, we're engaging in partnerships with Johannesburg City, Ekurhuleni, Cape Town, Windhoek City, etc. So it's not just about saying, hey, Durban is doing good things or Durban is doing well-deserved things, but it's about saying, how do we bring and enrich that kind of experience?
MILE is focused on ensuring that practitioners in Africa have the tools to be able to deal with the daily challenges that face them as officials.
It's about 3 from South Africa, only 1 from Germany. It started off 50-50, we're now outnumbering the Germans, which is good. It's that we have national programs like the Municipal Infrastructure Grant, like Neighborhood Development Partnership Grant. That's a large proportion. When we got the funding from the German Development Bank, which is also grant funding, we're mixing grant funding. But then we also get third-party funding. And because we have an area strategy, when FIFA came, they tried to dominate. And we could basically say, here's 5 sites. If you want this site in our area, in that public park, this is how we would like to see it. They wanted to have a certain image. We said that image is not possible here. That you have your sports field and the center right next to it. We said it must be off-center because that's how the local context works. It took us a year to negotiate, but now they built it, and they are happy now.
The city manager, Dr. Mike Sutcliffe, explains more about the vision of MILE.
I think MILE is going to have a great impact. It'll have a great impact on the municipality itself, because as we move away from just the first phase of just identifying what we need to do to the phase at which we're mobilizing everyone to be part of this, I think it's got the potential to create a whole new culture. I would love to see weekly seminars. I'd love to see the whole municipality, that people say, look, let's have brown bag lunches, where we bring our lunch one day and for an hour we sit and have, if I've been on a trip to a conference overseas, I come and report back into that, so that a team of people are hearing about the experience that I might have had or someone else has had, that we begin to learn from each other. So I would love it if within the next year or so you actually are finding throughout the municipality people engaging, talking, debating, discussing, finding new ways that we can make this developmental estate possible. So that's really what I'm hoping will happen, and happen quite quickly.
MILE will have a great impact on the municipality, as we believe it has potential to create a whole new culture.